Dear colleagues and friends from all around the world, our warmest welcome to APAO 2026. With just 1 week to go, we are excited to host you in vibrant Hong Kong for what promises to be the most comprehensive and inspiring meeting in our field. The entire organizing committee is working tirelessly to ensure every single detail runs smoothly, so that you can focus on learning, networking, and sharing breakthroughs in ophthalmology. Please be sure to join the Academician Forum, expert symposiums, and plenary sessions where leading clinicians and researchers will present cutting-edge science and practical insights. Don't miss the opening ceremony on the first day, a special moment to celebrate global collaboration and collective commitment for better eye care. APAO 2026 brings together a rich program across clinical practice, research, education, and innovation. Whether you are attending sessions, visiting the exhibition, or connecting informally with your peers, you will find many opportunities to spark collaborations and advance patient care worldwide. Beyond scientific program, we invite you to enjoy the unique energy and hospitality of Hong Kong. Its skyline and cultural vibrancy create a memorable backdrop for the meaningful conversation and new friendships. On behalf of the organizing committee, thank you for joining us. We look forward to meeting you in person, sharing knowledge, and creating lasting connection. Safe travel. See you soon at APAO 2026 Hong Kong.